To upload multiple users at once, we'll click Import Users, choose the subscription type and the role type for all employees, which we can then later change for the employees that we want to assign a different role. We have two sample files that we can download, fill in, and then upload. One with just names and emails and the advanced settings, where the main difference is that we have several more columns to fill. And the main ones that we want to focus on is the employee number for payroll, the work start date, which is also important for accruals, and the invite via email. One is for users that we want to invite via email, send them the login details, and 0 for the ones that we don't. So if we fill in sample and fill the 0, so no one is receiving that email, we can save it and then import that file, download the file with the passwords, and then the users are going to be added to the users list.